Science. Pahla video of science. Commission test for Patwari. Energy and its procurement. Energy sources. From General Science. 1. What is the ability to do work called? A. Power. B. Force. C. Energy. D. Momentum. Answer. C. Energy. MCQS. Though. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy source? A. Wind. B. Solar. C. Hydropower. D. Coal. Answer. D. Coal. Script. 3. Which form of energy is used to cook food in a microwave oven? A. Electrical. B. Thermal. C. Chemical. D. Light. Answer. A. Electrical. 4. The energy possessed by a moving object is called A. Potential energy. B. Thermal energy. C. Kinetic energy. D. Electrical energy. Answer. C. Kinetic energy. 100 MCQS. Punch. Solar energy is considered A. Non-renewable resource. B. Renewable resource. C. Fossil fuel. D. Metal resource. Answer. B. Renewable resource. Che. Which energy source always contains carbon? A. Solar. B. Wind. C. Fossil fuels. D. Hydropower. Answer. C. Fossil fuels. Script. 7. Wood and animal dung are common energy sources in villages because they are A. Renewable. B. Polluting. C. Non-renewable. D. Costly. Answer. A. Renewable. Art. Which of the following is measured in joules? A. Temperature. B. Energy. C. Distance. D. Speed. Answer. B. Energy. No. The process that converts solid coal into liquid hydrocarbon fuel is called A. Cracking. B. Liquefaction. C. Distillation. D. Gasification. Answer. B. Liquefaction. Thus, which energy conversion takes place in a battery operated torch flashlight? A. Electrical mechanical light. B. Chemical electrical light. C. Thermal electrical light. D. Mechanical thermal light. Answer. B. Chemical electrical light. MCQS with answers. Structure of the atom or radioactivity. 1. Which of the following particles is found in the nucleus of an atom? A. Electron. B. Proton. C. Photon. D. Neutrino. Answer. B. Proton. Protons are positively charged particles in the nucleus. Though the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called its A. Mass number. B. Atomic number. C. Electron number. D. Neutron number. Answer. B. Atomic number. Atomic number बराबर number of protons. 3. Neutrons carry A. Positive charge. B. Negative charge. C. No charge. D. Variable charge. Answer. C. No charge. Neutrons are neutral. 786 times 4. What does mass number of an atom represent? A. Number of protons only. B. Number of neutrons only. C. Protons juma neutrons. D. Protons juma electrons. Answer. C. Protons juma neutrons. Mass number बराबर protons juma neutrons. 5. Which of these explains why electrons don't fall into the nucleus in Bohr's model? A. They are too heavy. B. They orbit in fixed energy levels. C. They have no charge. D. They are outside the atom. Answer. B. They orbit in. Che. Radioactivity is the spontaneous emission of A. Heat only. B. Electrons only. C. Particles and energy from unstable nuclei. D. Sound. Answer. C. Particles and energy from unstable nuclei. That is basic definition of radioactivity. 7. Which radioactive emission has the highest Penetrating power. A. Alpha particles. B. Beta particles. C. Gamma rays. D. Proton beams. Answer C. Gamma rays. Gamma has greatest penetration. Art. Which radiation has a positive charge? A. Alpha. B. Beta. C. Gamma. D. Neutron. Answer A. Alpha. Alpha particles have Juma-2 charge. No. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different A. Protons. B. Electrons. C. Neutrons. D. Charges. Answer C. Neutrons. Isotopes have same protons, but different neutrons. Result. Pk. Thus, which particle carries no charge but adds mass to the atom? A. Proton. B. Electron. C. Neutron. D. Positron. Answer C. Neutron. Neutrons are uncharged and add to mass. Structure of the atom or radioactivity. Notes. Juma answers. 1. What is an atom? Answer. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can exist and still have the properties of that element. Q. Which particle has a positive charge? Answer. Proton. Q. Which particle has no charge? Answer. Neutron. Q. Which particle is negatively charged? Answer. Electron. 3. Atomic number and mass number. Q. Who proposed that electrons move in fixed shells? Answer. Bohr. Q. Which type of radiation is most penetrating? Answer. Gamma rays. Q. Which type has a positive charge? Answer. Alpha particle. 6. Why atoms are stable or unstable? Atoms are stable when nuclear forces balance. A. Short questions. Q1. Define atomic number. Answer. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Q2. Why do electrons not fall into the nucleus? Answer. Because electrons occupy definite energy levels, orbits, and cannot lose energy while in a stable orbit. Q3. Given use of radioactivity. Answer. Sterilizing medical equipment, gamma rays, or in X-ray imaging. B. MCQ with answers. Which particle is found in the nucleus of an atom? A. Electron. B. Neutron. C. Photon. D. Positron. Answer. B. Neutron. Radioactivity is caused by A. Motion of electrons. B. Unstable nucleus. C. Chemical reaction. D. Heat. Answer. B. Unstable nucleus. Number of protons determines the A. Mass number. B. Charge on atom. C. Atomic number. D. Number of electrons. Answer. C. Atomic number. Which radiation has greatest penetrating power? A. Alpha. B. Beta. C. Gamma. D. X-ray. Answer. C. Gamma. Elements created in laboratories with answers. A. Elements that are made artificially in laboratories are called A. Natural elements. B. Radioactive elements. C. Synthetic elements. D. Metallic elements. Answer. C. Synthetic elements. Though, which of the following elements is artificially prepared in a laboratory? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Uranium. D. Technetium. Answer. D. Technetium. 3. The first element discovered that does not occur naturally is A. Plutonium. B. Neptunium. C. Technetium. D. Radium. Answer. C. Technetium. 4. Synthetic elements are usually produced by A. Chemical reactions. B. Nuclear reactions. C. Physical processes. D. Evaporation. Answer. B. Nuclear reactions. 5. Where are artificial elements mostly produced? A. Chemical laboratories. B. Hospitals. C. Nuclear reactors or particle accelerators. D. Factories. Answer C. Nuclear reactors or particle accelerators. Che. Which of the following is a synthetic radioactive element? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Plutonium. D. Sulfur. Answer C. Plutonium. 7. Why are most laboratory made elements unstable? A. They have weak chemical bonds. B. They contain too many or too few neutrons. C. They react with air. D. They are gases. Answer B. They contain too many or too few neutrons. Art. Synthetic elements usually have A. Long half-life. B. No mass. C. Short half-life. D. No charge. Answer C. Short half-life. No. Which field uses synthetic elements the most? A. Agriculture. B. Medicine and nuclear science. C. Cooking. D. Textile industry. Answer B. Medicine and nuclear science. Thus, which element is used as fuel in nuclear reactors and can be artificially produced? A. Hydrogen. B. Carbon. C. Plutonium. D. Helium. Answer C. Plutonium. 11. Elements with atomic number greater than 92 are called A. Noble elements. B. Natural elements. C. Transuranium elements. D. Alkali metals. Answer C. Transuranium elements. 12. Transuranium elements are A. Found in nature. B. Made in laboratories. C. Non-radioactive. D. Stable. Answer B. Made in laboratories. 13. Which instrument is used to create new elements? A. Microscope. B. Generator. C. Particle accelerator. D. Telescope. Answer C. Particle accelerator. 14. Most synthetic elements belong to which category? A. Metals. B. Non-metals. C. Radioactive elements. D. Noble gases. Answer C. Radioactive elements. 15. Why synthetic elements are not commonly found in nature? A. They are too heavy. B. They are expensive. C. They decay quickly. D. They dissolve in water. Answer C. They decay